ராமர் கோவில் கும்பாபிஷேகம்
நான் 30 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடியே அதை பத்தி பேசியிருக்கேன். அதே கருத்து தான் எனக்கு. அதை இப்ப புதுசா ஒன்றும் சொல்ல வேண்டியது.
எனக்கு நல்ல நினைவு இருக்கு. பாபர் மசூதி இடிக்கப்பட்ட போது பிரதமர் நரசிம்ம ராவை நேரடியாக போய் சந்தித்து கேள்வி கேட்டிருக்கீங்க.
I become very upset.
Like?
Anything. I was the first man to speak when Babri Masjid fell down.
Okay.
And that is not my business. They said, why are you talking? You're an actor. Enduku maatladutunnavu? But I will. It's my country. 2.7 acres who wants to shake 3.7 million acres of land. It makes me very angry. You will not have another one. December 6th will have to be erased as a stain from our
mind.
And politicians will please keep away from religion.
Excellent.
These things make me angry. Cinema for heroes in the well of the parliament. I know where the heroes really live. They live in the streets. And that's where I'll find my heroes. You're looking for Mahatmas in Delhi. I'm looking for Mahatmas in the Jhopadpattis.
Great. Heads up.
And that's where they live. Wrong address.
Yeah.
You're looking in the wrong address. These things make me sensitive.
Yes, sir.